Hello, my people. So today I'm gonna do this pop of blue eye makeup. I'm wearing lashes. I would wear this for fall time. I think it's pretty fallish to me. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with my modern Reynolds. Sorry guys, so I forgot to mention that I had done my face makeup already. Bronze from ABH with the shade Warm Taupe. And this is gonna go in my crease. I need to wash all my brushes. I'm gonna use this Luxie Large Blending Eye Brush. Now I'm gonna go in the ColourPop Blue Moon palette. I want to try to use this shade right here, Moonlight. And I'm gonna use this brush that comes in the ABH palette. And now I'm gonna use this Butter London Natural Goddess palette. And I'm gonna use this Temptress. I'm gonna use this angled blending brush from Moda. We're gonna pack this into our outer corner. And in the outer part of my crease, I'm blending in circular motions. I'm gonna get some of that same blue shade I picked up and try and blend those two shades. With the same angle brush with no extra product, we're just gonna blend both shades. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to do a wing liner, and I'm gonna use the Kaleido Cosmetics Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm gonna do this off camera just so it can be easier for me. Okay, so this is the best it can get. Now I'm going to do my bottom lash line. I'm gonna use this Moda Smudger brush, and I'm gonna use the shade I use in my crease, Warm Taupe. So I smudged the brown shade in the Butter London palette all over my bottom lash line. And I'm gonna go back to my ColourPop palette, and I'm gonna use this smaller Moda brush. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my inner corner. And now with that same brush, I'm gonna go with Lumi. And this is a beautiful shimmery blue shadow. Now I'm gonna use this black eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna tightline and my waterline. Now I'm gonna use the Violet Voss Essentials palette, and I'm gonna use the cream shade. I'm just gonna use this brush that comes in the ABH palette. So I'm gonna use these Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. I'm guessing this is in the style Instagram. Oh, Instaglam. I'm gonna pop these on, and I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna try the Hank and Henry Mascara Duo, but I'm only gonna try for the bottom lashes. I think that is really, really nice. Now all I'm missing is my blush, my highlighter, and my lips to set my face, and that's all. I'm gonna use the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party. And we're gonna use this big giant brush from Tarte. Now I'm gonna go with highlighter, the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the shade Ballerina. I'm gonna use this Steve Laurent lip pencil in the shade Chic. I'm gonna use my Maybelline lipstick in the shade Truffle Tease. And I'm gonna use this Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Coqueta. Now last but not least, I'm gonna use my iconic London Prep Set Glow setting spray. Please don't interrupt me! So this is it, guys. I don't know, I just felt like doing a blue look today since I'm wearing a blue top. I love the blue paired with the browns. I hope you guys really like this look. I'm kind of feeling it. Don't mind my hair, guys. It's wash day and I'm waiting for a hair product. If you guys want to see a review on that product when I get it, let me know. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. If you did, please like this video, comment, share, subscribe. I'll be uploading videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.